They have already done this and that for us. Fuck. Like me, I was still thinking, oh, when is this thing happening?
I won't lie, I forgot about it. Taku said it today, and I was like, this thing that we just mentioned passingly. And they have a hotel book.
I thought it was a joke.
Boys, I'm on me holidays, but I'm not that on me holidays right now. And yet it's still think. I actually never plan things more than like, let's say, a week in advance or anything. Thinking about that. That was like, as the man said, ages ago, and they had the hotels and all that stuff. But
I'm like, yeah, if the Chili girls are going to this first court bullshit, yeah, it would, Loki, I was saying no, it might, like, as I told you earlier, like, when it comes to, like, for some reason, when it comes to Chili people, yeah, for like the first 10-20 minutes, I have like this little bit of anxiety where I'm like, oh shit, like